How to sign up Ticketmaster. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can sign up into your Ticketmaster application, firstly install your Ticketmaster app in your device. To sign up, you can click on the sign up button, which will require you to enter your personal details. That includes your residential address, email address, card number, CVV code, expiration date, and more. Once you successfully sign up into your Ticketmaster application, you will see an interface like this. Now to book tickets from your Ticketmaster, tap on Upcoming Event. Over here, you can check out various of events that you can purchase. Just tap on any of the available tickets from your screen. Now you can have various of options such as scanning the code or various of options such as manually entering the price, and it will require the details regarding your credit information. You can also select your payment method as PayPal, credit card, or any of the payment method that is available in your region. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.